Hello everyone, we are going to unbox ZLT S10 router from Mobitel. This is a Mobitel 4G router and this not support 3G, only supported 4G network, and it mentioned fastest powered mobile network, plug and play, connect with multiple device, two detachable 4G antennas. There are two antennas and maximum speed is mentioned, and model written ZLT S10, and this is Tozed brand. Okay, let's open. It has mobitel sticker. Here's a router. And what inside? It has a power adapter, 12 voltage power adapter, branded Tozed. Okay. And there are two antennas. An RJ45 network cable can be connected to your computer or TV connection, and air bubble, user manual, and warranty card. And surprise, it has a battery. And the same router, the dialog selling, it don't have any battery, but it has a battery. It have 2000 milliampere battery. Okay. And router has two antenna output. I'm fixing right now. And this router has a battery inside this cover. Here's a SIM tray and here's a battery socket. So first I am inserting the Mobitel SIM. Okay, done. Next I am inserting the battery. Closing the battery cover. And the router has one RJ45 port and connector, power connector, power button, reset button, and USB plug. Now I am going to turn on the router. Before I am just putting the power adapter. Okay, I am now removing the power adapter. Let's on the router because it's working with the battery now. can be work mobile network. It's mean mobitel. This is mobitel router, so mobitel mobile sim, any prepaid or postpaid sims working. If we unlock, it can work hard Airtel and dial-up prepaid postpaid mobile sims. But there's a issue. This can't be unlocked at the moment. And this is the power indicator, Wi-Fi out, mobile data and coverage. There's a 5 indicator, but in my area I have 3 signals. It has a battery, so we can use without power. Now I'm going to speed test. Under this router, this is a Wi-Fi key, mobitel S10 and Wi-Fi key, Wi-Fi password. This input 12 voltage and 1 ampere, and this here have IP address. It can, if you log in from this IP address, username will be admin, password will be admin. You can use for the changing router password and other things. Okay, now I am going to show how to change router password. First type 192.168.0.1 for this router. Click enter. Here's a login, and this is a battery indicator, the coverage indicator 1, and mobile data and valid SIM card and Wi-Fi. These are the other details shows, and click login. Click login. It will ask username and password. Default username admin, default password admin. ADMIN. Okay, admin. Now it's went to the menu. It show more details. Home section, app firmware, day signal strength, everything shows. And I set the statics also 7 GB use out of 100 GB. Quick settings, device settings, wireless device connected to my Galaxy Note 10. SMS, can we check SMS from your SIM from this route? Check your email. If I add an email, I get 2 GB data for my teacher's package. Phone book, contact numbers we can save, firewall and system settings. Now I am showing how to change Wi-Fi password. Quick setting. It shows my mobitel S10. I want to change it to mobitel 4G. Okay, enable. I am clicking next. Display password. This is a default password in router sticker. So I am changing to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Next. Apply. Wi-Fi will disconnect and click yes and restart the router. Now router restarted. I want to change the Wi-Fi again. Mobitel 4G. After change the new name appear. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. New password. Connect. It's connected. Now I am back. So 192. Login, username admin in small letters, password also admin in small letters. Click login. Now successfully change Wi-Fi username and Wi-Fi password. If you want to change it again, go to the quick settings and type your network ID name and password. If you want to change a username, system setting, these are other settings available. I'll show everything. Modify password. This is a admin password. It can be changed. System upgrade. This is the firmware you have to upload from this button. If you have to unlock, you have to drive from this method. Network tools and SMS already seen. SMS settings. SMS setting is message sender number or delivery option. Delivery report disabled. I want to enable. Then click it, apply. It shows 2 signal bars. Now 1 signal bar. Battery have full signal. Battery indicator. Valid SIM card. 1 device connected. My phone. SMS 4 unread message. E-billing service activated. The home. These are the settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Please click like button, share button and comment for the video. See you on next video.